हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे अभी आंध्र प्रदेश पहुँच गया हूँ. Here we are with one of a German guy who is exploring India all over India. Yes.
नमस्कार.
He's
मेरा
been,
नाम मैक्स.
he's Max.
मैं जर्मनी से हूँ. साइकिल ट्रैवलर.
He is quite good in English. Although he is improving, still we have met just recently, and he is a very nice guy. Actually, he is Indologist, as we say, that he is studying about India and other parts of the world. Basically, he is very spiritual and exploring himself and the country per se. So we have met recently. So how is the experience, Max? Here in
My
India?
experience in India is very good. I love the food. I love the people. Many times I get invited for tea,
Yeah.
like today.
Like right now. It's a great privilege to meet people like
A
this.
lot of
explore.
sunshine, sometimes too much.
Yeah. Now it's quite cold here.
Yeah.
We are getting cold and pleasant time here right now because in South India it's gradually it's getting cold. It's winter. It's coming. So it's nice to have people from around the country in India and to have chat with them, to have knowing of all about their cultures and how they feel about India, what they explored it so much. So that's what fascinates me, and I have always met people like this, and it truly encouraging as I am getting along on my journey. I have met many people like this, and I am always thankful. So,
Acha, yes.
Germany. Cycle. Cycle on that side. He came here all the way from Germany to India to explore. Yeah, on bicycle. Road travel. He's from Germany to here. He came here by flight. So here after coming in India, he bought a cycle for himself, bicycle for himself.
No.
I am an
Cycle
Indian.
Starting from Germany.
I am an Indian. I'm from Kolkata. We met recently.
My cycle, Dada cycle shop, Germany. Yeah, Canada.
मिला हूँ, रास्ते में मिला हूँ. Yeah.
Yes.
Do I look like American? I'm an Indian only.
Yeah.
Actually, South guys.
Sometimes people
They
ask
take a
where
long
you from.
time
I
to
say
understand
Germany.
simple
Then they
things.
understand Japan. And many people they suggest Russia.
Yeah.
From Russia.
Many people can confuse you as a Russian.
Yeah.
But I guessed you when I saw you first. I thought you must be from, as I just told you that you must be from Georgia. You said no, I'm from Germany.
First
So I was
letter.
quite near.
Yeah.
It's over, it's done. So how long, it's been how long you have been in India? So
India 1 year. Yeah. Discovering north, northeast.
Here.
Yes. This winter season.
You have been in northern part?
Yeah.
So it was
Not all of it, but yeah, what was possible I took.
Yeah. So you are exploring southern one.
Now
Northern part
winter
now.
season, yeah, I have
Yeah.
to. Otherwise, there is no chance.
In northern
summer,
part it
it's
will be
killing
damn
me.
cold. It's damn
Yeah.
deadly cold right now. Because you go to Himachal, it's spine-chilling cold.
Yes.
You cannot get along in
No,
north.
that is probably like Germany now.
Yeah, it's quite suitable.
No, in
It feels
Germany
same.
it's some minus degree in winter time.
Yeah, in Germany it's quite temperature is quite below the
Also
normal
the
temperature.
in Germany apples are growing. They
Yeah.
come from Himachal Pradesh
All right.
and Jammu Kashmir region.
Yeah.
Colder places.
Yeah. Apple are being exported from here.
Yeah.
Apple, anything. Apple, mango, squeezy,
Yeah.
everything. Most of the spicy stuffs are being exported from India only.
Yes, but in Germany we have only apple, plum, pear.
All right.
We don't have all these exotic fruits.
Right.
We don't have banana, we don't have mango, we don't have coconut. This is all from import.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what. It's quite nice to see that people from Europe are heavily dependent on Indian foods these days because world has turned into a global village now. So it's
Yes, yes.
as
I
we
wish
know,
to see the world as one country and we
that's my
humans
wish also.
as the inhabitants.
Yeah.
So when
Humanity
people ask me where are you from, sometimes I just tell I'm from Europe
Yeah.
because
Technology is basically taking out liberty,
taking our liberty,
Yeah.
taking our time,
time,
like
making us dull.
yeah. So I think to live with nature
Yeah.
and to have a close family, to
Bonding.
have maybe like 2,000 people that you associate with, but not too many.
Yeah.
That's better. Also, our mind is not made for a news channel
Yeah.
to know what's happening in China, in America, in Europe. It's
Our
not
mind is always stuck in
important.
that area, always running in that area. What is happening? What
It
is
is
happening? At the,
important what's happening around you.
exactly. What is happening at the geopolitical level? Our mind is
Yeah.
always being consumed with that.
And we cannot resolve it.
Yeah.
So we will get depressed.
Exactly.
And
Will you have some tea again?
let's have another tea.
भैया दो टी और दे दो, दो चाय और, दो चाय और. He was listening to music. That's why he couldn't hear.
Yeah.
Max.
Yes.
So in Germany there are also highways like this. You also explored Germany like this, or you started only doing that in India or the southern part?
I also feel
Yeah, sure. Filming is
No,
happening from
it's
the both
okay.
sides.
Yes, both angles.
Yeah, both angles. So
So-
must post it on your YouTube channel.
Huh.
I hope I wish you all the luck for your YouTube channel may grow sooner and faster. You get all the subscribers.
Yeah, let's see.
Myself, Somnath Ghosh, I welcome Max as an Indian. I welcome him here, and I wish him all the best. That his journey may he collects all the good memories from India, and when he gets back to his own place in Germany, then he has all the good memories and good stories to tell you people. And,
Yes.
please do subscribe and be along with him. He's a great guy, great explorer, both the material stuff and spiritual stuff. He's a great wise guy. In such a short period of time, he has accumulated a whole lot of knowledge around the world about the different cultures and different spiritual aspects. So please be with him. Subscribe to his channel.
Well said. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
For me, it is important to be a human being, be
Exactly.
a brother to everyone,
Yeah.
to be kind. And probably that starts with eating. Probably that starts with not keeping a bird in a cage.
Exactly. Mingling with different cultures.
Like
Yeah.
to be kind. And in Iran, it was very exciting. People were so kind. People were so generous.
Yeah. They are very hospitable.
And,
Very hospitable.
Someone told me, at first, I am not a Muslim.
Yeah.
First of all, I am a human being.
Yeah.
So, humanity. My first religion is humanity. That's
exactly.
what he told.
In that sense, people from Iran are very hospitable
Yeah,
and
yeah.
kind. They
It's the most
accept you.
hospitable place in the world. But
Exactly.
if we listen to UN biased media,
Yeah.
then it is only
No,
negative.
so are Indians. So are Indians. Means Indians are also hospitable. But some places maybe some
places more-
few
Yeah.
rotten people. But that doesn't mean India as a whole very nice. It's the most diversified
Yeah.
country in the planet. You know,
Yes.
you will not get any country like this who is as much diversified as India. So in that sense, it is the most
Yeah, so many different languages.
yeah, desired place for Europeans to visit is India. Lakhs and lakhs of people, in fact millions of people visit India in a year. So it is quite nice, and always it feels good
Yes, and
to have you all.
They don't leave.
Yeah. Very.
Mother India just let me go yet.
Yeah. Mother India has liked you and she wants you to be here, even permanently. So, if possible, no, it's not though possible for you because
Yeah.
maybe you will not
Let's
be
see.
you'll not be granted the green card.
Long term, yeah.
So you have
For that
to
I have to
keep
start
renewing your
working.
passport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So,
I have to marry.
so it's been how long? It's been a year, no? For you, you're in
Yeah,
India, right? That's great.
So yeah, next year I might go back. Yeah.
All right.
Then
So I would suggest to till that time just explore India
yes.
as
Behind the scenes.
much as possible. Meet people and just explore it to the highest possible way. Just I will wish you all the luck and my gratitude being an Indian. Thank you for coming into India and we welcome you. Whenever
Yeah.
you are in need of any help, just call me. You have my number.
Yes.
So I'm always there for you and people like you who are explorer as me explorer myself. Me being an explorer also, I always appreciate people who are not that kind of mechanic, though who don't live mechanical life.
Biorobots.
Yeah, by living a
Most of people
robotic
are
life.
Biorobots.
Yeah,
Just
I always
living
appreciate
the
people.
same program.
yeah, I appreciate that.
That is the thing about traveling, that I don't have the daily routine.
Yeah,
For me, daily routine is a killer.
It's a
like
cage.
taking the life
exactly.
out of me.
It depresses,
But,
it makes you depressed. No?
when I'm traveling, I face
Sorry.
different various obstacles that
Yeah.
I have to deal with. And if I have major issues with my bicycle, people are most helpful.
Yeah,
So many times I need some welding. Then the welder, he didn't take any money.
yeah. People mostly will take when they see you as foreigner explorer visiting India, they would hardly take any money from you.
Yeah.
They will do it all for free. If you are in need of food, people will provide you whatever you are in need of.
Yeah.
People will give you.
So
That's
many
the best part.
festivals in India, in Germany, we don't have that many festivals.
Yeah,
Everyone.
it's quite conservative and cage society. That's why people get depressed more and more
Uh-huh.
as they get along. So that's why they break the chain and come to India and explore.
But now
Let
India
the life
also
go
is developing
smoothly.
into that same pattern.
Yeah,
Like I can see that more and more old aged homes are opening,
exactly.
and alcohol is an increasing problem.
Yeah, as the urbanization is happening, people are getting more and more entangled with the Western culture.
The
So
pollution of the environment was also
increasing day by
was
day.
also a case in Germany when Germany was developing.
Exactly.
But now that Germany is developed, they have a system of collecting that trash,
Yeah.
burning that trash, and transforming it into warm water
Yeah.
or electricity.
Recycling it.
Yeah. I heard recently that in China they also
They
were
recycle,
suffocating under the rubbish.
Yeah.
But now they made these factories to burn that trash
Yeah.
to create electricity. Now they are even buying trash because they run out of it.
Exactly.
So I hope in India they start also.
No, rare earth that which called rare earth minerals, that is heavily found in China.
Yeah.
China can never run out of that. So, in that sense, in a way, Chinese people are quite innovative. But the problem with Chinese, they are very much,
But
bigger.
they are so
They want to
programmed.
conquer,
They are so
always they
programmed
try to conquer
from
people.
From their early
land.
childhood on,
Yeah,
they are completely programmed.
program exactly.
Like
Because their communist party is
yeah.
being controlled. They are
Yeah.
controlling everything or every sex of life.
Yes.
I heard that they don't use YouTube, they don't use other stuff which is being produced and maintained by America.
Even I heard they have a different version of TikTok.
Yeah.
The international version is all nonsense and trash
Yeah,
to
They
keep
created
people
their own.
distracted.
yeah,
But their own TikTok in China is showing documentaries
Exactly.
and like helpful information.
yeah. they created their own stuffs,
But
their
then
own social media
also I heard
platforms.
Instagram started with Reels when TikTok was banned here in India.
Yeah, TikTok
That
is banned
exact
for a
same
long
day-
time.
That day when TikTok got banned,
Yeah.
Instagram started Reels.
Yeah, because Chinese, you can never know what they are doing behind the scene.
Yeah.
Maybe they are collecting your.
But this phone is
They are
made in
using
India.
their social media platform as a
My-
spying tool.
My previous phone broke down,
Yeah.
so I bought this Redmi made in India. But I guess most of the parts
As
here,
far as I know, the Redmi is from China. The parts is
the
from
parts-
China.
Yeah, the parts and then
assembled in
assembly
India.
in
Yeah.
India, yes. So you are in retirement. There is no need to sleep on the road in Germany.
All right.
You could even get paid for the rent. Then they will ask you to apply for jobs. But still, the minimum payment for you to survive will be provided by the government.
Yeah.